The entire Northeast is up in arms against the centre's decision to go ahead with the implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Bill. Escalating protest in different parts of the region makes it apparent that the move to pass the bill is facing stiff opposition. In Assam, amidst the Bihu festivities, the Citizens Forum in Lakhimpur district took to the streets opposing the Citizenship Amendment Bill. The agitators demanded that the centre to reconsider its decision to pass the contentious bill.
This amendment bill is coming on the ground at the religion. Actually, it violates the main preamble of our Indian Constitution. That's why we are coming here to oppose this bill.
The thing is that you see, this is Citizenship Amendment Bill has already been introduced and has passed in Lok Sabha, but it is to be passed in Rajya Sabha also. The people of Assam is in a situation that they will be homeless, they will be very dangerous if this bill is passed.
Assam has been continually witnessing protest ever since Prime Minister Narendra Modi made clear the centre's decision to push for the bill during a rally in Silchar. Meanwhile, protests against the bill have reached their peak in Manipur. The state is witnessing one agitation after another over the bill issue. On Monday, hundreds of Manipur People's Party volunteers took to the streets in Imphal opposing the bill. However, the protesters were stopped midway as they rallied towards the Raj Bhavan to hand over a memorandum to Governor Najma Heptullah. Talking to news persons, MPP President O. Jogendra vehemently opposed the Citizenship Amendment Bill while maintaining that if the bill is passed, it would supersede the Manipur People's Protection Bill.
The bill which was passed on the 7th of January 2019 will suppress the protection of the Manipur Bill. Because national political party do not want to pass the Manipur Protection Bill.
If that was not all, the Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System also staged sit-in protest in the Kongba Bazaar of Imphal East. Women traders also joined the protest, decrying the centre's move to pass the controversial bill. With inputs from Jitamuni and Gautam, this is Pooja Mishra for Northeast Live.